Now, this past week, Sofi Technologies shares went down by 11%, and this was after these shares rose so sharply after they had released their earnings results, which brought a lot of excitement to so many of the investors that invest into Sofi. Now, analysts are still very bullish on Sofi Technologies. In fact, they are analysts that have maintained their buy rating on this Sofi Technology stock, and just this week there is another financial institution or another institution that just raised their price target on the Sofi Technology stock because they believe that it is just set for greatness. Now, this is something that must make you to ignore maybe the sharp falls or these sharp decreases that we are seeing on the Sofi shares, and if possible, you need to load the boat on these Sofi Technologies because this is one of the stocks which are set to do very well. I mean, a few weeks ago, we read or I covered this stock indicating that Morgan Stanley initiated a buy rating on the Sofi Technology stock and gave Sofi a price target of around $25 per stock, which is something that is incredible because at that time you remember that Sofi was trading around $19. Now, this is something that these big financial institutions or these institutions are still maintaining and are still saying a good future when they look into Sofi Technologies, which is something that is to motivate you also to stay long onto this Sofi Technology stock. Now, this week, guys, the institution that just raised their price target on Sofi Technologies is none other than the Mizuho Securities. Now, Mizuho initially had a price target of around $28 per stock on Sofi, and it's good. Let me tell you that they just raised that price target to now to $30 per stock, and the reason why they raised this Sofi price target is because of the results they saw from the Q3 earnings results. They indicated that those earnings, I mean, for the fact that Sofi reported a total revenue of around $272 million, which represented a 35% increase year over year. It was something that made them to consider rising their share price target. Another reason why they indicated that they're increasing their price target is the fact that Sofi customers or membership numbers continue to increase, which is something that is truly amazing and shows that it looks like consumers are really liking the services that Sofi provides, which is something that is incredible. Now, you'll remember that, guys, I will tell you this again. Sofi is a company which is set to do very well because this fintech company is becoming a one-stop shop for all things relating to digital banking, and one of the things that is continuing to attract investors and also consumers into coming and wanting to use Sofi platform is because these consumers can do a wide range of things from Sofi platform, which is what sets them apart from the other traditional banks, because you remember that in Sofi consumers can save, invest, borrow and spend, which is something that is truly amazing and something that you would not find in traditional banks. This is why, or it is for these reasons why even the retail investors like myself are investing into this company, because it is going to disrupt this banking industry, no problem, and it is a fact. I mean, with the banking charter which is said to be approved very soon, we can expect Sofi to do even way better than what they are doing now, which is something that is incredible and has to motivate you to stay long onto this Sofi stock. So I believe that Sofi, it is still one of those companies that are still offering good opportunities, and we are still going to see big institutions coming in and cover or recommend a buy rating on this stock and give it a good price target, which is something that is incredible and has to motivate you. It is not the last time, and I still believe that Sofi will do very well in the future. I'm still very bullish on Sofi, and I'm still going to continue investing into Sofi Technologies because I'm telling you, this is the company which will do very well in the future, and I believe, like I said, it is going to disrupt this banking sector. I mean, one of the things that will get them to hit or to get their milestone is their good acquisitions they made of like the payment processor Galileo, which I believe it was a very good acquisition by Sofi, and it will get them to big milestones in the future. I mean, Sofi Technologies continues to do well. I mean, and we saw that from the Q3 earnings results, which they did very well. And I mean, in terms of the loss or the earnings per share they reported for the Q3, they did very well, because you know by now that they managed to even beat what so many analysts had expected, which is something that is truly amazing and has to show you the potential that lies within this Sofi Technology stock. So, as I've said, this is one of the stocks that if you are to ask me the kind of stocks you need to look into, I will still come and tell you that go and look into Sofi or into this company, because it's a company with some strong fundamentals, and it's a company that continues to grow or from the strong fundamentals that they have, which is something that is incredible and has to motivate you as a retail investor to continue or to want to go or come and start investing into this company. But like I always tell you guys, before you could sell or before you could buy this company, just go out there, do your own due diligence and check if this is a company that you can spend $1 or $2 on. But I can tell you, this is one of those companies that will do very well. Otherwise, this video was just for entertainment purposes, and please don't take everything that I was saying here as financial advice. This video was just for entertainment purposes, and you should not take anything I said here as financial advice. Otherwise, if you seek professional financial advice, you already know what to do by now, and that is you need to go and consult the professionals. Otherwise, if you like the content that I was sharing with you about this Sofi Technology stock, don't forget to hit that likes button, comment and subscribe. And once you subscribe, don't forget to click or hit the notification bell so that YouTube can notify you every time I release a video. Otherwise, guys, that's all from me today, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey. And I'm still very bullish on Sofi, and I'm still going to continue loading the boat on this stock, because I believe in what they're doing and in where they're going. Otherwise, that's all from me, and I wish you nothing but the best in your stock market investing journey, and God bless you all.